This video shows how to buy shares of Deutsche Telekom AG, explaining the process step by step. Deutsche Telekom is a leading European telecommunications company listed on Xetra with the ticker DTE.DE, and this is an educational overview, not investment advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search field and type the ticker DTE.DE to find the listing. Select the result that shows Deutsche Telekom on Xetra to ensure it's the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for context. Double-check the company name and ticker to confirm you have the right asset before proceeding. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, choose the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set as a market on open, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once confirmed, your new position will appear in your portfolio view. For convenience, the link to eToro is included in the description below.